You tap install, and a second later it says, app not installed, no error code, no reason, just those 3 words. In the next 2 minutes, I will show you exactly why this happens and how to fix it for good.
That message is Android's package installer talking. It is a generic catch-all refusal with no error number. One message, but many different causes behind it. The good news, it is almost never a hardware fault.
Here are the 7 real reasons, ranked by how often they happen. Low storage is number 1, signature conflicts come next. Then corrupt files, cache errors, compatibility mismatches, missing permissions, and finally play protect blocks.
Fix 1, and the most common, free up storage. Android needs 2 to 3 times the app size just to unpack it. Open settings, tap storage, delete old downloads, clear app caches, and aim for at least 2 gigabytes free. Fix 2 is the classic. Restart your phone. Hold the power button, tap restart. This clears stuck installer tasks and temporary locks. It sounds too simple, but it fixes a surprising number of installs.
Fix 3 solves the trickiest case. If a different version of the app is already on your phone, Android refuses to overwrite it with a mismatched signature. Uninstall the old copy completely, restart, then install the fresh one.
Fix 4. If you are installing a file you downloaded, it may be corrupt. A dropped connection leaves a broken package behind. Delete it, download again on stable Wi-Fi, and check the file size before you tap install.
Fix 5. Android blocks installs from your browser or file manager unless you allow it first. Go to Settings, Apps, Special App Access, then install unknown apps. Find your browser and switch it on.
Fix 6. Check your connection. Toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. A stalled download often leaves a half-finished file, so restart your router too if you need to.
Fix 7 targets the Play Store itself. Go to Settings, Apps, Google Play Store, then Storage. Tap Clear Cache, then Clear Storage to wipe corrupted files. Do not worry, this does not delete your installed apps.
Fix 8. Clear Google Play services the same way. It is the engine behind every install. Settings, Apps, Google Play services, Storage. Then Clear Cache and Clear Storage. You may need to sign in again afterwards.
Fix 9 is often missed. If the System Download Manager is disabled, nothing installs at all. Go to Settings, Apps, Show System Apps, find Download Manager, and make sure it is enabled.
Fix 10. Uninstall Play Store updates. Open the Play Store app info, tap the 3-dot menu, and choose Uninstall Updates. The store rolls back, then updates itself, killing bugs from a bad update.
Fix 11. Keep it current. Open the Play Store, tap your profile. Go to Settings, About, and tap Update Play Store. An outdated version can have install bugs or quick update fixes.
Fix 12. Google Play Protect might be blocking you. In the Play Store, open Play Protect, tap the Settings gear, and turn off Scan Apps. Install, then turn it straight back on. Fix 13 handles compatibility. If it says not compatible with your device, your Android version may be too old, or the chip inside does not match. Check requires Android on the store page, or grab a universal version.
Fixes 14 and 15. If your file is .xapk or .apks, use a bundle installer, not the plain one. And if your phone installs to an SD card by default, switch that to internal storage in App Installation Preference.
Fix 16. Remove and re-add your Google account. Settings, Accounts, Google, remove it, restart, then add it back. This refreshes your sign-in tokens and clears silent auth failures.
Fix 17. Turn off battery optimization for the Play Store. Settings, Apps, Play Store, Battery, and set it to unrestricted. Do the same for Play services so installs are not paused in the background.
Here is a smart workaround. On a computer, open play.google.com, sign in, find the app, and choose Install to your device. Google pushes it straight to your phone, bypassing the Broken Store app.
Last resort tools. Set date and time to automatic, reset app preferences, or use ADB to uninstall and reinstall. If literally nothing works, a factory reset is the final option, but back up everything first. So remember, start with storage and restart, then work through permissions, cache, and Play Protect. Most fixes take minutes and none delete your apps. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and tell us in the comments which fix worked. This guide is for educational use and is not affiliated with Google.